to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today we're gonna do some Oriental, something very nice with and vegetarian with aubergine. I love aubergine. It's one of my favorite vegetables. We're going to make a babanoush. Babanoush is Oriental, but basically is puree from aubergine, but the way we make gonna be a little bit smoky, super nice. We need just few ingredients. We need of course aubergine. I'm gonna use 2 aubergine. We need some garlic, lemon juice, poppy seeds, and fresh mint, some paprika, salt, and pepper. Okay, what we're gonna do is very easy. This recipe. If you have something like this, use it. If not, use your hands, but turn it on and basically put your aubergine on. We're gonna burn the aubergine on the gas. Okay, how long? Around 4 minutes, depend how is your aubergine, how strong or hard is, but I'm gonna show you what we need, the result, the final result. Okay, sometimes move it, okay, use your tongues, but I show you soon how it's gonna be. Turn it on the oven because we need the oven very warm, because this later we're gonna wrap in aluminum foil and we're gonna put in the oven. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, when you have something like that, soft and just broken like that, you see, it's done. Now what we're gonna do, take a tray, take your aubergine, careful Susie, is very hot, in the aluminum foil, like that. I put the oven 200 degrees. It's gonna cook around 20 minutes, half an hour maximum, but when I'm gonna show you, when the fork go in completely free, it's done. Okay, later I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Okay, now this in the oven 200 degrees, and I'm gonna show you next step. Okay guys, 20 minutes, 200 degrees, my aubergine, when it's something like that, is already ready. Now what we're gonna do, take a bowl, we're gonna take the, it's hot, when it's hot it's better. We're gonna take the skin off, take the fork, take your time like that, you see, easy. Take the skin off and put in your bowl. You know, this is the part more where you have to work a little bit. Anyway, when all the skin is off, you know, with fork is very easy, guys. I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Guys, you know, you're gonna have something like this. You know, don't worry if some part of the skin left there, but even is good, I like it. Now, cut it, leave it in the bowl, do the other one, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do the next, okay? Okay guys, my 2 aubergine, now smash everything. You're gonna make like puree, like this. More you do, better is. I did this just 2 aubergine for the video, but if you want to make more, because this, guys, is so simple, but is absolutely delicious. You know, if you can take this. And guys, always, if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, I think my babanoush is ready. Okay, now we start seasoning. Salt, how much you like, pepper, nice amount, paprika if you like, but I recommend you, it's nice, garlic, it is. I think for this amount 1 is enough, but later I'm gonna try if we need more. Always garlic we can add. Some lemon juice, this as well with lemon juice, just careful, not much, depend how much you have in your bowl. Now we add some fresh mint. Basically guys, the job is almost done. Some olive oil.
mix again everything, leave to rest a little bit, try how is the salt, pepper, garlic, everything. I think I'm gonna add some more mint, and I'm gonna show you in 5 minutes the rest. We're gonna try and we're gonna test it, okay? Okay guys, my baba ganoush is rest around 5 minutes, and now time to try. I have this flat bread, and this is the best way to try it, guys. Wow, it's absolutely delicious. Wow, I don't believe nice like that, guys. Simple, something different, and it's like that, guys. My baba ganoush is, my accent is always a little bit weird, but anyway, the baba ganoush is this. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.